Alright, so it's been a while since the last video, but I'm back. I had some tests and school assignments which are hopefully over by the time this video comes out, but expect some more consistent uploads after this. So we are on the third devlog on this game, and a decent amount of work has been done since the last devlog. So let's get started. So firstly, I changed up the graphics a little bit. I've added this like CRT filter so the game looks like it's set in the old days because this is going to follow the story in some way. So with these new changes, the game goes from this to this. Alright, so next I decided to fix this waypoint because when you reach the waypoint, it just stays there. So I've made this code so that when you press this button, it changes the waypoint. To test this out, I've put the second waypoint on one of these barrels and it works. Okay, so now we have to make some more of these objectives, so let's get started. Okay, and it is done. So when we click the first button, the checklist shows up. And you can see the waypoint marker changes, and if we go here on the checklist, it says we've clicked the second buttons. So we're basically going to be repeating this, but in different ways. Okay, so next I'm going to be making some sort of a pause menu since it's not there. Alright, and after a little bit of time, I'm done. So now I'm about to make the first build of the game to test it out. And what the f***? After a ton of trial and error, I finally fixed this problem. So I had these shaders for my outline in the code, but I wasn't including them in the build. So after making like 7 builds, I checked the log files to see where the line was, and the game works great. So anyways, we have to finish this pause menu, so let's get started. Okay, and here is the pause menu. I think it's pretty fine, but I might change it in the future. Alright, anyways, I think I should end the video here. So yeah, I think we accomplished a lot in this video. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.